In here I have rice flour, half a teaspoon rice flour. I have rice water, okay, half a teaspoon rice water. I had some bicarbonate soda, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. And I had, oh no, I had brown sugar. So now I'm going to put some, like 1 teaspoon lemon, fresh lemon. Okay, here we go. And I'll mix, and I also put some honey. I had some honey also. Added some honey. This is organic honey. Was added to it. Let me add a little bit more. Come on out. I may have to scoop it. Okay, let me scoop it because it's already thick. So let me. I'm actually. Let me scoop a little bit of the honey. Okay. I've already had a little bit. Okay. So I've already had half a teaspoon. So now mix everything together. And I did put some rice flour as well. This is rice flour. Mix everything together. I'm going to add a little bit more rice flour because this is a bit too watery for me. So I'm going to add a little bit more rice flour. And I can use it as it is also. But I'm going to thicken it up a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Now mix everything together. It's all set. All set. Also ready. So I'm going to put it in a container. And just use it. Put it in the refrigerator for a few days. So this can stay in the refrigerator for up to a week. And I will be using it for my, so I'll use the rest of it on my black spots. Okay. On my figure. Okay. So, black knuckles. So I have to put it on my other hand also. We'll get rid of knuckles, black knuckles, dark knuckles. There you go. You just use your finger to apply it. And make sure that you rub it in, rub it in, rub it in. And leave it on for at least 15 minutes. Let it stay on your hand for 15 minutes before you wash it off. Okay. And make sure that you rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it so that it can penetrate into your skin. So do this every day or every other day for at least 4 to 5 times, and you will see a very good result. You see how dark my knuckles are? So I'm working on it. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and stay tuned for another video to come. Thank you.